Today, what we're going to be doing is going over some recipes. Essentially, we're just going to have a discussion about recipes, kind of show you some logic that can be utilized for recipes and some different data structures and things along those lines. And this really just to open up a conversation about recipes and some of the different things needed to create a recipe, because there's a lot of things involved with creating a recipe. You have the PLC logic, you have UDTs, you have naming conventions. There's a bunch of different topics that kind of go into creating a recipe, and you need at least like probably three different skill sets or three different know-hows to be able to really create a good recipe. Don't get me wrong, you can create generic recipes and do stuff like just use nothing but dents and things along those lines. And then there's also some complexities in recipes that can make it hard to do certain things that you may want to do within a recipe. So we're going to go ahead and just jump into the software, start talking about some different things that are going on. So here we are in Studio 5000. Here I have some PLC logic that I've written for this recipe code.